Hello, this is Gavin Phillips with Layer Cake and Photo Effects. Today I'm showing you this brand new set of real watercolor set of Photoshop actions, custom brushes and watercolor papers. So let's see how it works. So I have a photo open. First you run the setup action. Now I loosely brush on the sketch area and watercolor area where I want the main action to apply the effect to. Now we go back to your actions and run the real watercolor action. The action runs through many steps for you automatically. The action has finished, and as we scroll through the layers, you will see there are many ways to edit the effect. For instance, you can turn off the watercolor paint spots if you want to, or reduce them using the layer mask. By the way, you receive a thorough movie tutorial created by me, which shows you all the ways to edit the effect and creative tips that I've learned after working with this complex action, custom brushes and watercolor papers over the last few months. Let's run the action on this photo of a dog. I've completed the setup and now run the action. After the action finishes, one of the first things I do is try some of these different custom tinting layers that you have available. I like this one, but it's a bit strong, so I'll just reduce the opacity. You can also add some paint splashes. I'll choose one of your custom watercolor brushes and add some paint splatter on this layer. If you don't like it, you can turn it off. Now you also receive 5 textured watercolored papers that you can drag into the background and see if you prefer that. I'll open up this one and then we'll go back to Bridge and we'll take a look at the watercolor backgrounds that you receive as well. You receive 10 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of these and we'll combine the two of them and see which one we prefer. So first I'll drag and drop in the watercolor textured background and we can see that has made quite a difference when we turn it on and off. And now the watercolor background with the brush strokes, I've dragged and dropped that in and we can see you can combine the two together. So I might reduce the opacity of the brushed layer and now I'm also going to remove some of it from the image by just painting on a layer mask. And if we look at the before and after, we turn both of them off that we just dragged in. We've got the plain white background or the background with the texture and the brushed watercolor papers. The Real Watercolor set of software works on all photos. There are so many applications for transforming photos into watercolor art. It's also a lot of fun and very creative. Another advantage is that you learn a number of different Photoshop techniques in the included movie tutorial. Onto compatibility, the software works with Photoshop CS6 through CC 2023 and onwards. We're offering special introductory pricing. Please see the webpage for details. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.